And this is our row where we get to do our fun little, my testers called it the LknPfl, which made me laugh. All right, so you work a purl 2, and then you're gonna knit 4, and this is the beginning of the repeat, is the knit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we work our LknPfl, which is lift. So you're going to bring your right needle under both strands that are floating across the front of your work here. So lift the strands. That's the L, link, the L, then the N, the knit. So you're going to knit the next stitch, and then you're going to pass the floats over. So you can do this one of 2 ways. You can put your left needle in there and just lift the floats off like that. So I'll show you that way, and then the next time I'll show you the other way. And then you end the repeat with a knit 1. Again, repeat, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're gonna work the LknPfl again. So I'm gonna bring our right needle up under both of those strands. We're going to go into the next stitch to knit it. And then this time I'm just going to bring that stitch I just made, I'm just gonna slide it down under those strands. All right, you just want to make sure that you bring this stitch tall enough so that it's even. If you work it that way, you just want to make sure that that stitch comes back up and that it's not hanging out down here, because it won't have enough room to bring those up where it's supposed to be if you slide it under like that. So let me show you that one more time. I'm going to undo that stitch real quick, even though I'm in the middle of a repeat. All right, so to work the LknPfl, you're going to slide your right needle under both of those strands, knit the next stitch, and then as it's sliding off of the left needle, you're just going to bring the right needle back down under those strands and then just kind of lift it up. And I just like to tug underneath that so that that stitch is tall enough. And then you end that repeat with a knit 1.